In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate Constant Contact email. To get started, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will be ready to create an automated email sequence that sends messages based on the path you build. This is useful when you want to guide contacts through a planned series of emails without sending each one manually. Next, go to the Campaign section and select Create. This is where you begin setting up a new campaign. From the available options, choose Email Automation. This tells Constant Contact that you want to build an automated workflow instead of sending a one-time email blast. After that, create the automation path by selecting the option to build your own. Then continue. Choosing to build your own path gives you more control over how the automation works. It allows you to decide what triggers the workflow and what actions happen after that. Now select a trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation. In other words, it is the event that tells Constant Contact when a contact should enter this email sequence. Choosing the correct trigger is important because it determines who receives the automation and at what point they begin moving through your workflow. Once the trigger is in place, build your path by adding send an email steps and time delay steps. The email steps are where your messages will be delivered. The time delay steps create spacing between each message so contacts do not receive everything at once. This helps make the sequence feel more organized and intentional. As you build, think carefully about the order of your emails and how much time should pass between them. Then create and customize the content for each email in your sequence. Make sure each message has a clear purpose and matches the overall goal of the automation. You can adjust the subject line, text, design, and any other elements available in the editor. It is a good idea to review each email carefully so the messaging stays consistent from one step to the next. When everything looks correct, click Activate to launch the automated workflow. At that point, your Constant Contact email automation will be live and ready to run based on the trigger and path you created. That covers everything you need to know.